Hello students, we will start a new chapter, that is division. Do you know the definition of division? Let's have a look. Definition of the word division. Division is when we split up or divide a whole group into smaller equal groups. That is, division means to divide. Simple, to break down into equal parts. It is actually a repeated subtraction. Let's take one example. A clown has 12 balloons. He has to divide it into 3 equal parts, equal groups. So in a first group, he keeps 3 balloons. That is 12 minus 3 equals to 9. In second group, he keeps 3 more. So 9 minus 3 equals to 6. Then again, in the third group, he keeps 3 more. 6 minus 3 equals to 3. Similarly, and in same way, he keeps again in the fourth group the remaining 3. So, no balloon is left with him. That means he has 0 balloon. Let's take another example of 10 balls. When we arrange it in 5 groups, that means in one group it has 2 balls. That means we will get 2 balls in each group. Every time we do repeated subtraction. Let's take one more example. 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. But let's see how. 8 minus 2, when you subtract, you get 6. Again 6, with 2, when you subtract, you get 4. With 4, when you subtract 2, you get 2. And 2 minus 2 equals to 0. That means you get 4 groups. For better understanding, let's take one more. There are 20 apples. You need to divide 20 apples in 4 groups. That means in one group, how many apples are you going to get? Now let's find out. 20 apples in one group, that is 5. We get 5 in each group. That is 4 groups, total of 4. We can see that in one group there are 5 apples. Instead of dividing by repeated subtraction again and again, there is one more method. That is, now let us do long division method. Let's take question of very simple question, 1 digit number, that is 9 divided by 3. 9 divided by 3 equals to, now long division method, you will be writing as 3 here and 9 here. That is, this 9 is known as dividend. It is known as dividend. 3 is known as divisor. The number which is divided by is known as dividend, and the number which is dividing, the number which we use to divide is known as divisor. Now, when we will divide, we need to learn the tables as well. That is 9. When you divide by 3, and in multiplication table, we already know that 3 multiplied 3 equals to 9. That means 9 is divided by 3. How many times? It is 3 times. So this 3 we will be writing on the top. 3 and the divisor, and this 3 will be known as quotient. it is known as quotient. Okay, so 3 multiply 3 equals to 9. That means 9, when you divide by 3, you get 3. So here you'll be writing 3. After that, we will be writing minus sign and we will subtract. So this 0 is known as remainder. Remainder. After understanding this, we came to know that 9 divided by 3 equals to 3. Let's take another example of 57 divided by 4. 57 divided by 4. That means 57 is a dividend and 4 is a divisor. Means this number should be divided by 4. So 57 should be divided by 4. That is, 57 will be in the dividend place and 4 will be at the divisor's place. Okay. Now, when there is only one digit number, you need to take only one digit from the dividend place. Okay, that is 4 and here it's given 5. As we already know the table of 4, so 4 multiply 0 equals to 0, 4 multiply 1 equals to 4 and 4 multiply 2 equals to 8. Now as we can see that 8 is a greater number, 8 is greater than 5. So we cannot take the number which is very big. Okay, so we need to take the number which is smaller than 5 or else equal, but we cannot find 5 in 4's table, so we need to take this, that is 4 into 1 equals to 4, that is 4 ones are 4. Okay, after that we need to subtract, as we already learned that division is a repeated subtraction. So we need to subtract 5 minus 4 equals to 1. Now bring this number down so that it becomes 17. Okay, after multiplying, that means 4 multiply 1 equals 4, you write and then you subtract. The number which is left, you need to bring it down so that it will be 17 now. Okay, 17. Now further in 4's table, we can find 4 3's are 12, 4 4's are 16, 4 5's are 20. Now we can see 20 is greater than 17. So we cannot use 20. We need to use the smaller number or equal number. But 17 we cannot find in 4's table. So we need to write 16. Smaller number than 17. That is how many times? It is 4 times. That is 4. 4's are 16. Subtraction sign, and when we subtract we get 1 as a remainder. Okay, so this is a remainder, this is a quotient, this is a divisor, and this is 57 is a dividend and 4 is a divisor. Okay, I hope you understood it. Instead of writing this here, we can write as 57 dividend, 4 is a divisor, 14 is a quotient, and 01 is a remainder. Okay, so this will help you to understand how to solve division with long division method.